For lunch, something quick, simple, yet delicious is the way to go. I like to make kimchi fried rice that's spicy, full of flavor, and then cool it down with some creamy California avocado to garnish. To make the kimchi fried rice, I already have some leftover rice from last night that we'll go ahead and repurpose. And then for the protein, you can use whatever you have available. I'm using bacon today, but you can use last night's leftover meat, ham, eggs, it's totally up to you. So to start, I'm gonna add some butter to my pan on medium-high heat, let it melt, and then I'm gonna add my onions and bacon. We'll let it cook until the onions are nice and caramelized, and then we'll add our kimchi. The kimchi will add that spiciness, that crunch, full of flavor. Cook it down until all the juices are gone, and then we'll add our cold rice. I'll break it up until the rice is fully melded, and then we'll add some soy sauce and sesame oil. And that's it, now we're ready to serve. So to garnish it with our California avocados, you have many ways. I'm gonna show you how to fan it and also how to create an avocado rose. I'm gonna make small vertical cuts into my avocado, leaving 1 inch bare at the top. Then I'll gently press it to one side with my hand and fan it out. And there we have our avocado fan. Now for the avocado rose, I've already peeled and pitted the other half. This one, I'm switching to a paring knife because it's a little bit easier to make the small slits. I'm gonna turn the avocado horizontally and I'll make small cuts all the way down. Now I'll fan it out into a long strip, and finally I'll just curl one end towards the other. We'll just nestle the avocado rose right here, and our avocado fan can go right here. And I'll just finish it off with some sesame seeds and seaweed. And there's a spicy yet creamy lunch all in one.